As urbanization intensifies, the world's population is moving to its cities. Cities are the drivers of our economy and centers of learning, innovation, and creativity. But when these urban centers grow, the challenges that come with it can also be multifold. Sidoarjo is a rapidly growing regency in Greater Surabaya that expands at a rate of 5% yearly, offering new opportunities for business, education, and social life.
Visi yang saya sampaikan yaitu terwujudnya Sidoarjo yang inovatif, sejahtera, mandiri, dan berkelanjutan. Inovatif dalam visi saya diterjemahkan dengan meningkatkan kualitas layanan kepada masyarakat dengan memanfaatkan teknologi informasi.
I think it's incredibly important for a city like Sidoarjo to be able to look at ways in which they can leverage technology to serve their citizens. Typically in emerging markets, the areas that are most concerning for most cities are around energy and transport and being able to deliver some very fundamental basic services. Technology plays a great role in helping relieving those issues and concerns.
Microsoft CityNext is a suite of smart solutions to help cities transform, engage, and accelerate.
We realized that every city requires slightly different solutions. And this framework was actually designed to empower these cities and their community to come up with the exact solution that they actually need. For this to work, we really do need the whole community to be behind it. So this starts with the government to initiate the idea and the process. We do have the education sector involved to provide the students, and we also need the local software company and the citizens, and as well as a regional company to make sure that the solution itself becomes world-class when it actually comes to the end product.
The notion of private-public partnership is really key in the sense that you can engage so many people in the process. You can get so much innovation that is derived to local issues because they're close enough to the issues to be able to understand them.
In October 2015, Microsoft and the city of Sidoarjo invited varsity students to participate in an app development competition called City App Appathon. Team Thor emerged as the winners with their project Road Report, RAW, that helps citizens easily report poor road conditions. The young developers were partnered with local enterprises to take their ideas to fruition.
Appathon dapat membantu kami dan juga beserta tim dari ide kecil yang kami buat dari kota kecil kami dapat dikembangkan ke Sidoarjo sehingga Sidoarjo dapat berkembang menjadi kota yang cerdas, kota atau kota yang smart city. Aplikasi ini idenya muncul ketika kami, salah satu dari tim kami, sedang jalan melewati sebuah jalan di kota dan melihat ada sebuah lubang yang mengakibatkan pengendara waktu itu kecelakaan. Sehingga kami berpikir bahwa bagaimana kami bisa membantu masyarakat untuk melaporkan hal tersebut ke pihak yang berwajib.
The Mbonk app allows users to tag and send reports of poor road conditions to the local authority using their smartphone's GPS.
Working with the students is a real exciting experience for us that we can mentor them because they have learned in the university how to code, how to work on a project, but they don't have really a real experience in working a real project. So this way, they can learn from us, we can learn from them to make a very good product.
It's incredible to see the passion and the enthusiasm from students that came out with a great idea, and then we now implement it on the Microsoft Cloud. The beauty of leveraging Microsoft Cloud is now it's actually a highly scalable cloud solution. It's also multi-tenant. So other cities, the investment threshold is much lower. All the other city had to do is just subscribe and bring those solutions to their citizens.
Within the first few weeks of the Mbonk application being launched, they had over 600 registrations. This is definitely a new concept for Indonesia, and Sidoarjo is setting a new bar.
Kebetulan sejak ada aplikasi Mbonk ini, beberapa kali ketika saya menemui jalan rusak, saya melaporkannya, dan alhamdulillah responnya cepat. Pelayanan publik yang lain seperti ada keadaan darurat banjir, seperti kebakaran, mungkin juga perlu dibikinkan aplikasi seperti ini.
teknologi ini mendapatkan respon yang bagus dari masyarakat karena masyarakat bisa langsung komplain atau memberi masukan terhadap pemerintah. Kedepannya juga kami sedang membahas, merumuskan bersama Microsoft untuk bagaimana tahu apa yang menjadi problem di masyarakat, apa yang menjadi trending topik, kepuasan publik, keinginan publik yang diharapkan dengan kehadiran pemerintah di tengah masyarakat.
Saya juga sangat bangga sekali melihat para pemuda berbakat yang ada di Kabupaten Sidoarjo menjadi lebih peka terhadap tantangan yang dihadapi kota mereka pada saat ini. Dan saya mendorong generasi muda untuk terus melakukan inovasi dengan memanfaatkan teknologi informasi untuk memajukan Kabupaten Sidoarjo.